My name is Ken Mueller, and I live in Lancaster in Neffsville. I needed a roofer, and I needed one sort of fast, and I asked around, asked a couple different people who they used. So I gave a call and had you guys come out and do an estimate, and I liked the estimate. Yeah, with the shed, I came out before winter to get the snow blower out. I opened the door and there was a big hole in the roof. And I was, I didn't know if I was going to need a whole new shed or what. So obviously replacing the roof was the first option for me, as long as the cost was fine. Alex came out and he took a lot of pictures inside out and everything and sent me the photos along with an estimate and, approximately how long it would take with, lots of options on shingles. That was, at that point, I was happy with the cost and said, go ahead. A couple guys came out. I think it was 3 guys came out one morning when there was several inches of snow on the ground. They kept in touch with me, throughout the day. And, it was a one-day job. And, I got home from work and they were wrapping up, and it was, they got the job done and did a great job on it. I loved that the personal side of it. Again, it was constant communication. When there was going to be a delay due to some weather, that reached out via email and via text. And so it was really nice to have that communication. I don't know that anything surprised me, but I guess I was pleased with the cleanup because there was no way to bring a dumpster back. There was no way to bring a truck back. They took everything. I mean, there was no sign of anything, any trash or anything that they had left behind. So they did a really good job of cleaning it all up. I would highly recommend Joyland. I'm the type of person, I like to get estimates and compare, but I had no hesitation with Joyland from the word go. So I would, if you have a roofing issue, definitely consider Joyland as one of your options. And everything was done as expected. The cost was exactly what they said it would be. It just made the whole process easy for me.